All right, everybody, Wanderlust Adventure Company back here. We are at a place that we went to back in December, Rifle Falls State Park. Now that it's spring, we wanted to come check it out again. Things are starting to green up. Go see what it looks like since the last time we were here, when it was very much winter and snowing and icy. So stay tuned as we visit the park again.
One of the trails, there's so many little trails to go back in. See, I think you take that one, it takes you back behind and you come out on top of the falls.
Yeah, there's a bunch of trails. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So there's a trail right in there. See, all that was all covered up through the winter. So I didn't see this part of it. Yeah, I went up there, but I had to go from down up there because this was all snowed in. Oh yeah. Yeah, so this was part that we didn't get to see when we were here back in December because of the snow. Either that or I just didn't see it. It was snowing pretty hard that day. But yeah, here's some more of the limestone caves that we didn't see last time.
Oh no, it's a tree.
Oh yeah, there. Oh, is it really?
That's what it
Oh
looks
wow,
like.
that's cool. Yeah, right up there is like the bottom of a tree. Huh. Crazy. More caves. Yeah.
I ain't scared of no ghost.
Me either. I should have brought my headlamp. It's dark in here.
It's cool though.
But it just ends right here. Yeah. Probably even nice in here in the summer. I know it's hard to see, but really cool.
Light on that?
No. No, it doesn't make its own light.
Look at that tree.
Oh wow, yeah. Huh. Cool. Well, I want to start from the bottom up instead of going all the way to the top first.
Okay.
All right, here we're gonna walk into the falls. Yeah, that looks a lot different than the last time we were here. The water volume is higher, of course, because it's spring with the runoff. But there it is. This is what it looks like when it's thawed out. We'll have to come back again in the summer. Yeah, I'll be up there. Look how clear that water is. Last time we were here, there was some fish swimming around in there. Let's walk up there a little bit closer. So pretty. Go around up here where we can kind of get behind the waterfall. You can see this is all concrete, easily accessible. Whoa. A lot of these signs were frozen the last time we were here too. We couldn't really see much.
Did my smile too big?
Okay. We'll walk over here to the amphitheater. We didn't see that the last time we were here. Would imagine that the rangers do talks and stuff here throughout the summer. It's still April right now, so things are just starting to open up, but that's pretty cool. Looks like it was built out of the local sandstone, which is got a lot of red in it around here. For those of you that are interested in those kinds of things, I'm sure on their website it'll tell you more. about the Ranger led stuff. Wonder if they've got the water turned on for the season yet. Nope, no water yet. I think we're gonna hike around. There's a little more farther back view of the falls. Coyote Trail, which does make a big loop. Takes us around the top where we can look down from up there. If you can see the guardrails. But we'll go up there. The sign's a little wonky, but it does tell the story. Not how there used to be some stuff here, and there was even a power plant, which I think we kind of found it last time where it was. But looking here now that it's warm weather and the ice is gone, I look up there and I can see what I think is the pent stock from the power plant. I would have to look and make sure that's true. Yeah, got some nice benches. A lot of this stuff was buried in the snow when we were here last time. Let's see who this is for. Dedicated to this gentleman. It's real pretty. Kind of a great representation of the area. Hunting, fishing, backpacking. Not a bad place to have a memorial, right? Alright, some more of that limestone formation overhanging at the top there. Pretty crazy. Mother Nature doing what Mother Nature does. Here we go. This one's got chairs in it. Goes way up there. Now, down at one of the creeks below here. Up the road where we'll be going, there's also a fish hatchery. I didn't go in there last time because it wasn't open. But maybe it'll be open today. We can check that out. sign kind of shows you. That trail to our right goes all the way up to the fish hatchery. We're going to stay to the left and go up above the falls. But there's a lot more to this place. All right, here we are coming to the top side of the falls. Got some places to look over the edge. The falls, which are right over there. But I am 100% certain now that this was the old penstock for the hydro plant that was here. Too bad there's no sign, but I would almost guarantee that's where the turbine lived, because that's what that looks like. That would have had a water turbine with a generator on top of it, making hydroelectric power. That was some of the first power that was used in Rifle, down the road about 12 miles or so. That's pretty cool. Those of you that are new to the channel, I work in power generation, so I'm always fascinated by it. Yeah, very cool. Right down there. Looking at the Rifle Creek. And I'd say this is a very nice, well-kept state park. Very nice walking paths, accessibility for most. Right there. Creek goes over the edge. Looking back upstream. And the trail continues. Alright, here we go. Let's walk out on this lookout. Goes over the edge here. Look down below. And that's the view you get. That's beautiful. I can't wait to come back when everything is completely greened up. Like I say, it's still early spring here in Northwest Colorado. Some of the trees are starting to bud out a little bit. You can see those willows are starting to put their tree buds out. That is beautiful. We're gonna continue on here. It's windy today. It's kind of cold actually. I think we'll walk back down to the bottom. Think about heading back towards the truck. All right, everybody, that was our springtime trip to Rifle Falls State Park here near Rifle, Colorado, about 10 miles out of Rifle. It is a state park. There is an entry fee. Colorado residents, if you use that license plate thing they just put in, it works here. But we hope you enjoyed this video. And we're already talking about coming back when everything greens out and the trees are budded out. Maybe we'll just get Rifle Falls for every season this summer, or this year. So until the next one, Wanderlust Adventure Company